It's very smooth.
This is Cuzen Matcha. We make matcha from scratch. This is freshly ground matcha.
Okay.
So we started out with the actual leaves. You've definitely seen like powdered matcha before that comes pre-powdered.
Yes.
But traditionally you would take these leaves, grind them in a stone grinder, and then whisk them with a bamboo whisk. This machine does all of that.
Your haircut perfectly matches.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Welcome. Yeah, we were waiting for you.
That's very kind. That's very kind.
We have this beaker here. It has a magnetic whisk that replicates the action of, say, the
So when this
bamboo whisk.
replicates the whisk, is it doing like the W shape or what kind of shape? Because I've seen people talk about matcha whisking doing certain particular shapes in the bowl.
For this one, it's just spinning around. It's achieving the right for drinking, the right way for drinking. You know.
Okay. Oh, it is just in one direction. Okay.
Super fine and dropping it right into the water while it's spinning.
Oh yeah, look at
I
that.
believe that like the particular shapes and stuff have more meaning if you're actually doing it like in ceremony or what have you.
I see.
Or to make it look a certain way and feel a certain way. The goal with this is just to incorporate the powder really, really nicely. So we can just spin around doing its own thing.
Okay. So what's the serving size of this?
This has different settings for strength. So this is setting number 1. It's 1 gram of powder into 2 ounces of water.
Okay.
And there you have it. Takes about 35 seconds and you have a perfect cup of matcha.
Oh. Now, you would not serve this from this vessel.
No, you would pour it into either, so this is actually the premium blend right here. It's the spring harvest tea leaves. So it's the finest tea leaves and the best for drinking straight to appreciate their flavor. So you want to drink this one straight. This is really concentrated, so you could also do something like pour it over ice or put a splash of soda water in there. We have a different blend that is the summer harvest tea leaves, and those are suitable for using in a latte because they're a little bit more robust. They might be a little more bitter, but it's going to hold up really nicely if you're adding it to milk. So yeah, this vessel just collects. You can think of it like the shot glass that you put underneath an espresso machine. That's where you're collecting your concentrated shot of matcha, and then you're able to transfer it into whatever drink you're making.
What about clean up between servings?
Oh, you would just have to wash out and rinse the beaker.
Okay.
And then maybe once a month you brush out the grinder on the inside. In our small machines, the ones that we sell direct to consumer, we include a little brush in the kit that you get. So you can just brush that off and it's ready to go again.
So is this you said the other one's commercial or consumer, this is the commercial version?
Yeah, this is the commercial version and we're actually still in prototyping.
Okay.
But we think it's going to be ready around like October or November.
And what kind of price point are we talking here?
For the direct-to-consumer model, it's $299, which is surprisingly affordable for like a really, really nice piece of kitchen equipment that, I mean, if you really like matcha and you're using it to replace coffee, which a lot of people are doing nowadays, it's a completely attainable thing and it'll look beautiful in your kitchen.
So $299. What does it come with?
It comes with the little brush to clean the inside, and then you get a sampler set of our teas. And then online we also sell the teas. Those are like the sample size. This is how big an actual bag is from us. So you get there, and then you have your choice between the premium blend, the latte blend, and signature blend, which is in between the two.
And then this is the actual mechanism?
Yeah. That's the hopper, and then inside there is the grinder. We got one of the grinders out here so you can see it.
So the burrs are there, and they're ceramic burrs?
Yes.
Very nice.
And then if you want, you can get a look at, this is the beaker.
That's the actual beaker and the magnetic stir.
That has the magnetic whisk. And that comes off if you need to clean around there, but It's not going to fall out if you're pouring for
Oh,
somebody.
it's not floating. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay. I thought it would be like a floating piece.
Yeah, like in a laboratory.
Yeah.
But it definitely, I mean, with it being attached, that makes it a lot easier to pour for somebody.
Absolutely. Now, none of these are ready for delivery yet. Is that correct?
They are.
Oh, they are ready.
Yeah.
It's just this one that's not ready.
It's only this one that's not ready. They've been selling these direct to consumer for over 3 years, almost 4.
And these are all made in Japan?
These are actually manufactured in China, but they're designed in Japan. And all of our teas are from organic farms in Japan.
All right, great. Thanks.
Thank you.
All right, we're here on the show floor of the SCA with my friend Spencer Tur. What's going on, Spencer?
Oh, we're looking for some good coffee.
Look at good coffee.